Unboxing wrench set, and this is my special knife for unboxing. Let me cut it first, then I'm gonna show you. "46 pieces socket set, and this is the box. Let me check it. I purchased from Flipkart. Oh wow, it's quite nice. See this. Nice product. Nice one. Thanks to Flipkart. And there is having lot of set. As you can see, all the set is here, and it's quite lovely. And this is for myself, car repairing or bike repairing. For that only I have purchased from Flipkart this wrench set, and I love it. And please do subscribe to my channel as well, because you people do not subscribing my channel and my channel is not growing so much. For that, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and thanks for watching my videos.